The next chapter is fractions. Topics to be covered: fractions, types of fractions, equivalent fractions, like and unlike fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. The first topic is fractions. Fraction is a number that is used to describe a part of a whole number. Fraction consists of numerator and denominator. For example, 4 by 6. Here 6 is called a denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole has been divided into. The number 4 is numerator. This is denominator. 6 is a denominator. 4 is a numerator. 4 is numerator. 6 is denominator. 4 by 6 is the fraction. Now draw the diagram for this fraction 4 by 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 4 by 6 means 1 shaded with 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 out of 6. This is the 4 out of 6. The next topic is 8.2 types of fractions. The first fraction type is proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 9 by 20. These are the proper fraction. The value of proper fraction is always greater than 0 but less than 1. Next type is improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. 5 by 4. Here the numerator is 5, denominator is 4. 9 by 3. Here the numerator is 9, denominator is 3. So it is the numerator is greater than the denominator. The value of an improper fraction is always greater than 1. Third type is mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is the sum of whole numbers and a proper fraction. All improper fractions can be written in the form of mixed fractions. For example, 7 1 by 4. Here 7 is the whole number and fraction is 1 by 4. 7 1 by 4. 3 2 by 6. 3 2 by 3. Here 3 is the whole number, 2 by 3 is the fraction. Improper fractions converted into mixed fraction. For example, here improper fraction is 11 by 7 is the improper fraction. The procedure is first divide the numerator by the denominator. 11 by 7. 1 times 7. Balance is 4. Quotient is the whole number part. Here the quotient is the whole number part of the mixed fraction. And the remainder is the numerator of the mixed fraction 4, that is, and the divisor is the denominator as same, that is 7. So the mixed fraction is 1 4 by 7. Here the whole number is 1, fraction is 4 by 7. One is mixed fractions converted into improper fraction. The example is 3 4 by 5. Here the whole number is 3, the fraction is 4 by 5. The procedure is first multiply its whole number part by the denominator of the fraction part. So 3 into 5 into 3. First step. And add the numerator of the fraction, and add the numerator of the fraction is 4. Part of the product obtained. This is the numerator of the improper fraction. The denominator remains the same of the mixed fractions, that is 5. So you can multiply first the bracket values, that is 15. 15 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 15 plus 4, that is 19 by 5. This is the improper fraction value of mixed fraction. 3 by 4, 3, 4 by 5. The next topic is 8.3 equivalent fractions. F fractions which are equal when reduced to their lowest term are called equivalent fractions. For example, 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15. These are equivalent fractions because 3 by 5. Like here the common dividend is 1. Of numerator and denominator is 1. That is 3 by 5. 6 by 10. Lowest term you convert to lowest term, that is divided. Common factor is, that is 2. 3 by 5. 9 by 15. Lowest term convert to lowest term, you can divide the common factor, that is 3 is equal to 3 by 5. These fractions are equal. 3 by 5 equal to 6 by 10. 6 by 10 is equal to 9 by 15. These are the equivalent fractions. Non-equivalent fractions, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 are non-equivalent fractions. Okay. Next topic is to test whether two fractions are equivalent. To test if two fractions are equivalent, find the cross product of the numerator of first fraction with the denominator of the other fraction. If the cross products are equal, the fractions are equivalent. If a by b and c by d are two fractions such that a into d is equal to b into c. For example, 2 by 10 and 3 by 15. So, 2 by 10 and 3 by 15. 2 by 10 is equal to 3 by 15. Now, you can using the cross multiplication of first numerator and the another denominator of another fractions. So, 2 into 15 is equal to 3 into 10. 15 into 2, that is 30, is equal to 30. So, these two fractions are equivalent. Exercise 8.1. First question, draw diagrams to represent the following fractions. The first question is 3 by 5. First, here 3 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. First, draw the 5 part of a diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you shaded with the numerator parts. Here the numerator is 3, so you can shadow 3 parts. This is the diagrammatic representation of fraction of 3 by 5. First question, homework sum. First one 2 by 3, second one 5 by 7. Third question, convert the following improper fractions into mixed fraction. First question is 28 by 3. Write down the solution. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 28 divided 3. In 3 tables, the nearest value of 28 is 9 times 27. Remaining balance 1. The remainder is 1. Now, the quotient is the whole number part. Whole number part of quotient. The remainder is the numerator of the mixed fractions. Remainder is 1. The denominator remains the same. That is 3 is the denominator. So, the mixed fraction value is 9 1 by 3. This is the answer. Third question, homework sum 21 by 5. Second one 31 by 6. Next, fourth question. Convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. The question is 5 2 by 5. Solution. Multiply its whole number. Here the whole number is 5. Part by the denominator of the fraction part. Here the denominator of the fraction part is 5. Now you can multiply 5 into 5. The next step is add the numerator of the fraction part to the product of the obtained. Now add the numerator, that is numerator is 2 added. The numerator of the denominator remains the same of the mixed fraction. So here the denominator is same of the mixed fraction is 5. Now you can multiply 5 5s are 25 plus 2 divided by 5. 25 plus 2, that is 27 by 5. This is the improper fraction value. Homework, fourth sum, homework 1. 6 2 by 7, 8 3 by 7. Next, fifth question. Which group of fractions are equivalent? 3 by 5, 3 by 15, 3 by 25, 3 by 10. First, equivalent, check equivalent the first two fractions, that is solution. 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 15. Now check the cross multiplication of these values. 3 into 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 3 into 15, that is 45, is equal to 3 into 5, that is 15. So 45 not equal to 15. So this group of fractions are not equal. Therefore, these group of fractions are not equivalent. Fifth one, homework sum. First one 6 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Second one 3 by 5, 9 by 15, 6 by 10, 12 by 20. Question number 6. Write two equivalent fractions of each. The first one is 3 by 7. Write down the solution. Now the question is 3 by 7, two equivalent fractions. So you can find the first common factors of these two. First, taking the common factor as 2 for this numerator and denominator. Now you can multiply the common factor to numerator as well as denominator. Multiply this, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. The second equivalent fraction is, now you can multiply the common factor, taking the common factor is 3. So 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. Therefore, 6 by 14, 9 by 21 are two equivalent fractions. Sixth homework. First one 5 by 9, second one 10 by 11. Homework. Second question, seventh question and eighth question fully homework.